No?
Yeah.
Alright, Gavin's about to eat spaghetti for the first time. 8.5 months old. What is that, buddy, huh? Is that sketty? Spaghetti? Okay. It's probably gonna be messy. Look at. Let me give you a bite and see what you think. I might need some help eating it. Here, bite. You still got a mouthful? Here, try a bite of this. What do you think? You can talk with your mouth full, huh? Is it yummy? What do you think of spaghetti? Here. Get it. That's a big piece of ground beef. Let's see. I'll let you